Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. If you're interested in the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T Epic X ARGB triple fan graphics card, you'll find the product linked in the description below. Be sure to check it out after watching this review. Today we're taking a look at the PNY GeForce RTX 5070T Epic X ARGB triple fan, a graphics card that combines NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture with premium cooling, customizable RGB lighting, and next-generation gaming technologies. If you're building a high-performance gaming PC or upgrading from an older GPU, this card deserves a closer look. The RTX 5070T comes equipped with 16GB of GDDR7 memory, providing plenty of bandwidth for modern AAA games, creative applications, AI-assisted workflows, and demanding multitasking. Whether you're gaming at 1440p with ultra settings or stepping into 4K gaming, this GPU is built to deliver smooth and responsive performance. One of the highlights is its 2452 MHz boost clock, offering factory-tuned performance right out of the box. Keeping temperatures under control is PNY's robust triple-fan cooling system paired with a large 2.98-slot heatsink, helping maintain stable performance during long gaming sessions. You'll also benefit from the latest NVIDIA features, including DLSS 4, AI-powered frame generation, advanced ray tracing, and improved efficiency thanks to the Blackwell architecture. These technologies not only increase frame rates but also deliver stunning visuals in supported games. The Epic X ARGB lighting adds another layer of customization, allowing you to synchronize your graphics card with compatible RGB components for a polished gaming setup. Modern connectivity is covered as well, with PCIe 5.0, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 2.1 support for today's high-resolution and high-refresh rate monitors. If you're thinking about purchasing the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T Epic X ARGB triple fan graphics card, remember that it's linked in the description below, where you can also check the latest price and availability. Overall, the PNY RTX 5070T Epic X offers an impressive combination of gaming performance, efficient cooling, premium aesthetics, and future-ready features. It's an excellent option for gamers, streamers, and creators who want a powerful GPU that can handle today's most demanding workloads while remaining ready for tomorrow's games. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And once again, if you'd like to learn more or purchase the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T Epic X ARGB triple fan graphics card, you'll find it linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.